Hi guys, just been watching Grand Illusions and Tim was showing these card fold out illusions. I've done one before. I think I had not sure if I had the dragon, I think I had a rabbit. I can't remember now, it was quite a while ago. I'll put a link in the video description if I remember. And I think I got the idea for that from Just for Fun channel. Anyway, Tim was showing them and I thought they looked particularly good the way he displayed them, because he had the 3 different colours and set them up on a little turntable so you could see all 3 of them turn their heads at the same time. So I've printed them off. I didn't check the printer before I printed them, so we've actually lost a little bit off the bottom of each of them, but I think we can survive. One of them, yeah, the red one lost a little bit off the right, but I think we'll be okay. So, which one should we do first? Finished. This is why I had to do it. I just thought the effect of all 3 of them on a turntable was so good, I just had to replicate it myself. So, I reckon that's brilliant. I'm not sure that he's in quite the right position. How about my light? Let's move that round a little bit. Brilliant. So thanks Tim on Grand Illusions, and I'll have a look in the video description. I should have put in the link to the ones that I did quite a while ago, but I didn't get the effect working as well as this. I'll move the well, no, I'll just turn it all the way around and you can see the back. So that's what you're looking at. Let's give it a spin. Back the other way. Brilliant. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.